Are you looking for a great kindergarten experience for your child? Well, welcome to Byron Schools and welcome to our Kindergarten Discovery Program. Wow. And do you have a name for this instrument?
Toy.
Anybody know what it's called?
How did you feel after that song?
Very heartwarming.
It was heartwarming. What did you say right after we were done singing? You said it
Warmed my heart.
Hey, Lucy. Hey, let's play pencil. Well, you think it's okay? Yeah, why not? Come on, let's go. All right, really quick. Oh! Okay, just shoot me yours. Just shoot me yours. Okay, yours.
Stop. Quiet. You're responsible.
Unit 1 is the I Am Special unit. We begin the year by talking about what makes each of the children special inside and out. It's such a great time of getting together and learning about one another.
Is anybody else around? Oh, hi. Well, no one is here right now, but can I ask what for? What are you looking for someone? Well, we need one more person to run our race today. I could do it.
It's also so great to see so many families join us on our Day of Differences, singing with the children and learning together. It's just a beautiful day. Unit 2 is our Native American unit. This unit is full of wonderful art, music, and gym activities to help us learn about another culture. Unit 3 is our nutrition in the 5 food groups unit. Throughout the month, we have food group characters come in and share about their food group. Unit 4, the Byron Community. Kids learn about our community and how businesses provide goods and services to the community members. it makes for a great field trip day.
There he goes. Oh, he was looking for the slope.
Smart. Don't break a little bit this way.
Ooh, good job.
Good try. Come on over. Good try. Keep trying.
The Byron community has so much to offer. In Discoveries, besides teaching the special areas and units of study, we really focus on building a strong foundation in our relationships with our students, families, and our cooperating teachers. When we're all connected and working together every day, we believe it increases the likelihood of academic success in kindergarten and beyond. What's fun is celebrating those little things for a 5- and 6-year-old. You can even become a member of our tooth club.
What happened to it? Well,
You took the lip didn't
I did, but I want to tell you why.
Hi, my name is Britt Avant. I am a mom to 3 kids in the district. One of them is currently in kindergarten, and the 2 older kids have had the privilege of being kindergartners at Byron Primary School and partake in the Discovery class. As a mom of a kindergartner, I don't worry about him learning his sight words. I worry about him being a good human being. I worry about him including friends. I worry about him when he's not included, that friends have the tools to know how to include him. As a personal example, just this fall, I had the privilege of watching my son perform Beads on One String. A little parental moment for me watching my son perform this. He's a wild, typical 5-year-old boy who does not talk about feelings, and I could tell while he was performing this song, he truly understood what he was singing. I have to tell you, after he finished performing, he came up to me almost sheepishly shy and confused, and he whispered, "Mom, I felt like I was going to cry, but I'm very, very happy." They are forming our children to not only be intelligent, but resilient and compassionate individuals. They are teaching them how to be amazing human beings that are going to move through this world and move mountains.
I'm a kindergarten teacher. I've been teaching kindergarten and preschool here in Byron for 16 years. I think the Discovery program is so important. One of my passions and the thing that I think is so important for little ones and for kindergartners is relationships, and the ability for the Discovery teachers to form deep and meaningful relationships by getting to see the kids every single day in a variety of situations is priceless. Most people know that kindergarten is a whole different beast, and the beautiful thing about this program is that when they learn to belly breathe when they are upset, they learn that in friendship class on Monday, you know that they will be practicing that in Phi-Ed on Tuesday, and in library on Wednesday, and in music on Thursday. And when they get frustrated about something because they can't jump rope, you better believe that they will be stopped and they will have another discussion about belly breathing. And that will carry over into the classroom as well. We practice it all the time. I love that our newer teachers can go to these Discovery teachers who have a wealth of information and knowledge. They are kindergarten experts, and they can help mentor them and support them throughout the year to provide the very best experience for our kids across the board.
Teachers who lead this program are nothing short of irreplaceable. Mrs. Fuchsteiner, Mrs. Pompey, and Mrs. Krings pour their heart and soul into this programming, and they believe in it.
Hi, I'm Jess Fuchsteiner.
I'm Carrie Pompey.
And I'm Julie Krings.
And
we love what we do.